guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do another tutorial for you guys. Sorry, I've been kind of gone a while, just been working on a couple different projects, launching my presets, so they are linked in the description below, and I'll have some before and after pictures for you guys to see in this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how I focus in a low aperture on my camera. So with this, I'm going to use my 85. So whatever lens you have, maybe you have a 50, 35, we're going to practice shooting on a 1.4 aperture or 1.2. So I will show you guys some examples on the best way to focus and get a sharp focus. And this is Melly. This is the model that I'm going to use, and we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is when I have my camera set, I have it set on one shot. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. So I have it set on one shot. My lens is always set on autofocus. I never shoot in manual because with a Canon or a DSLR, you don't really need to do that. It's much harder actually. So yeah, I'm set on one shot and I'm centered, in the middle for the focus. Shooting at 100 shutter and 100 ISO to keep it less grain. My aperture is going to be at 1.2. That is the lowest that this lens goes to. Most portrait lenses go down to 1.4, 1.8. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is when I focus, I always focus on the eyes of the model. Okay, so I focus, right here on the eye. And so what you want to do is when you are focusing, you're going to hear, this, like a click. So you should be able to hear a click. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but that means that your, camera is focusing. And then you want to just go ahead and click. And then you want to make sure you can compose. So for example, if you're going to focus on the eye and you want to compose, you want to make sure you're half clicking, you get it into focus, and then you can, keep it, hold it halfway down and then move your camera up and down. So for example, I'm going to get her full body and I'm going to compose and I'm going to move my camera down. So I have it here on view for you guys so you can kind of see what I mean when I'm focusing. So you want to just focus on the eye, or if I have it this way, and then just kind of click. It's harder to do it this way. That's why I look through the camera, but make sure it's, literally focused on the eye. And then click to get the image. So I'm going to take it off for that. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple more for you guys. Another way to also focus is doing a back focus option, which I'm going to just do that in a separate tutorial if you guys are interested in knowing. But when you are on a back focus, basically what you're doing is this, gets shut off, and then you are using the AF on to basically, focus, and then you click here to get your shot. And from what I've heard, that you get a better and sharper focus using that. I have tried it. I don't know if I see much of a difference, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a separate tutorial for that. basically the end of the tutorial for you guys. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this and give it a thumbs up. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.